Once upon a time, in a big green garden, there was a boy named Timmy who loved to plant seeds. Every day, he would water the flowers, talk to the plants, and wait patiently for them to grow. One morning, Timmy found a tiny seed lying on the ground. It looked different from the others, shiny and golden. I wonder what this will grow into, Timmy thought, excitedly planting the seed in his favorite spot in the garden. Every day, Timmy watered the seed and waited. Days passed, but nothing happened. Timmy started to worry. Maybe it's not going to grow, he sighed. But one morning, as the sun rose, Timmy saw a little sprout poking out of the soil. "It's growing," he cheered. The sprout grew into a tiny tree, but it stayed small, much smaller than all the other trees in the garden. Even though it was tiny, Timmy loved it just the same. He decorated it with ribbons and talked to it every day. One day, a magical butterfly fluttered by and landed on the tiny tree. "Don't worry about being small," the butterfly whispered to the tree. "The most special things often come in the tiniest packages." From then on, the tiny tree stood tall in its own way, and Timmy smiled every time he saw it. The little tree may have been small, but it was the most magical part of the garden, and so Timmy and his tiny tree grew happily together, knowing that size doesn't matter when something is full of love.